Who needs scissors? You honestly have no idea how long it took me to get them to sit up there. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Hannah. And today I'm doing another Ipsy bag review / unboxing or unbagging. So today I'm opening up the Ipsy bag for October 2021. And that's why I'm wearing my ghost t-shirt, because this is like one of the last times I'm gonna be able to wear it on my channel. And I'm also featuring some of my friends over here that I never have any place to display them because I don't really decorate for Halloween. But I mean, anyways, let's not get sidetracked today. We're just gonna get to it, all right? We're gonna get to it. If you are interested in budget-friendly hair, beauty, fashion, lifestyle type of content, then be sure to subscribe because that is what we do over here. Here is my Ipsy bag. Without further ado, let's open it. What is jingling? I'm awfully curious. Okay, it's all in the bag. Ooh. One side of the bag is just plain black, which we like black, but then the other side, vampire lips sort of situation here. I like it. It's got green color detailing along the zipper. Got the little pamphlet here, which tells you what everything is inside. So I'm just going to reach in at random and pull something out. Okay, first thing, Basic Beauty lip gloss. Okay. Outside packaging. I'm not a lip gloss person. I've told them this. I didn't select anything for lips. I don't like lips, but it's fine. Ooh, but this is pretty. Again though, that doesn't change the fact that I don't wear lip product. But here's the applicator. It smells nice. Not like exceptionally good, but nice. I'm not going to, I can't. Maybe I'll try it on at the end. We'll see how I'm feeling. Now let's see about it. Basic Beauty lip gloss in Literally. That's the color. The color is literally. Say hello to your new favorite lip gloss. It's shimmery. We love the light reflecting bronze shade. Shiny, moisturizing, and plumping, but 0% sticky or tacky. Plus it has a yummy vanilla scent you'll love. Tip, swipe on bare lips or over your favorite neutral lip color. This is full size and it's valued at $15. All right, so it says it's supposed to smell like vanilla. Vanilla is my favorite scent, so I feel like I'd know. Maybe. I will try this on towards the end. I don't want to now in case it's like absolutely terrible. We will at the end though. All right, next product. Oh gosh, what's this? Lottie London Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner. Ooh, okay, I like eyeliner. And I've been wanting to try some good liquid liner, so that's awesome. Lottie London Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner in black. Finally, an eyeliner that actually requires no touch-ups. This ultra pigmented formula glides on easily and lasts for hours, so your liner looks fresh from your morning coffee to happy hour and beyond. No smearing, smudging, or fading. Tip, for a precise line, use the fine tip of the pen. For a bolder line, turn the tip on its side. This is full size and it is valued at $7. Okay, let's look at this tip, shall we? Because it's got me curious now. Do I have scissors? Yes. Am I going to use my scissors? Probably not. I don't actually think this is gonna help. Oh. Who needs scissors? You honestly have no idea how long it took me to get them to sit up there. They're gone now. I'm not picking her up. I literally almost bashed the table in trying to get those things to sit up. Alright, so first off, I can tell this is like a really thick pen. So, ooh. Alright, so there's the tip. They're saying for a fine line, just like use the tip, and then for a bold, go to the side. That makes sense. Let's test it out. Going for that fine line. Ooh, it goes on super easily. Definitely a fine line. Then a bold line. For sure, a bold line. And this is valued at $7. That's not bad at all. If this works out, that's definitely something I would purchase for that price. for sure. All right, next thing. Ooh, something in bubble wrap. Who doesn't like bubble wrap? Okay. Power Wear Blush, Make It Pop by the brand Real Her. So here's the outside packaging. Okay, okay. So let's read about her real quick. Real Her. Power Wear Blush and Make It Pop. This coral shimmer blush just might be your secret to a warm flush all year round. The long wear formula is infused with skin-loving antioxidants to protect your skin from environmental aggressors. Plus, it blends on so smooth and never looks cakey. Tip: use a blush brush to sweep onto apples of cheeks and blend up towards your ear. Toward your ears. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. This is the deluxe sample, and the price of the full version is $20. Alright, so I don't wear blush, TBH, but I could possibly use this as a eyeshadow. That happens. So let me swatch it. Ooh, feels like nice and creamy. So there's the swatch. Super duper pigmented. So I do feel like I could use that on my eyes. I'm not a blush person. I blush on my own just fine. Thank you. Next item. I got Satu. Oh goodness, how am I supposed to say this? Wow. However you want to say that, go for it. This is a detox shampoo. All hair types. Cool. Alright, so this says, celeb hair guru Jen Adkin created this buzzy hair care line we can't get enough of. Whether you have coarse curls or stick straight strands, this clarifying shampoo will remove excess oil and buildup from your hair and scalp with detoxifying apple cider vinegar. Tip: use this shampoo once a week in place of your regular shampoo for a deep cleaning. This is the deluxe sample, and the price of the full version is $30. This is great. I want a good clarifying shampoo. Right now I use the Neutrogena clarifying shampoo. It's fine, whatever. It doesn't smell good. I'm curious how this smells. There's apple cider vinegar in it, so probably not great, but shut up. Okay, the lid's on, so shut up. Oh my word, that smells amazing. Get off. This smells exquisite. So the clarifying shampoo that I use right now smells like tar. You know, like nasty. This smells really, really good. I'm really excited to try this. As someone with a super duper oily scalp and someone who wears extensions, this is like clarifying shampoo has become a must, and ever since using it, I can't believe I didn't know about it sooner. I haven't been using it that long, for just a few weeks, but when I do, my hair 100% it lasts at least a day longer of not needing to be washed, and I have the type of hair that I can't wear it down 2 days in a row because of how terribly greasy it looks. So, clarifying shampoo does wonders. Alright, last item. Ooh, I like this brand. Alright, let's bolt Highlighter Illuminator from the Balm. The eyeshadow palette I have from this brand from a previous Ipsy bag, I am obsessed with. I love the colors so much, and they are so pigmented. Wow. This is a highlighter, that's for sure. Look how gold that is. Let's swatch her up. I definitely see it, but it's not like crazy popping. I am super pale, so oh gosh, I could have done this in a much better spot. I apologize. See it? So that definitely seems like it would be more of like a highlighter type of situation, but I do think I could also make it work as an eyeshadow if I pair it with the right stuff. You know what I'm saying? I do like it. Let me read about it. The Balm Cosmetics Let's Bolt Highlighter. Get your glow on and give your skin a dose of happy with this healthy, soft gold highlighter. It's infused with nourishing jojoba oil and organic grapeseed oil, so it blends on like a dream, and it keeps skin soft and hydrated. I don't know why I'm laughing. Sorry. Blech. Tip: apply to cheeks, nose, lids, collarbones, anywhere you want to glow. If I was showing my collarbones right now, I would test that out. That is the deluxe sample, and the price of the full-size version is $24. All right, that is all. Let's try this. Let's try this stuff. I'm not worried, because if I don't like it, I would just gift it to my mother, and she's not going to care if I used it, so. Look at that. Look at that poppin'. Okay, it smells good now. I can smell it. I think I look too adult with it on. I'm not a lip person, but I guess if I needed to be, I kind of like this as far as like, it's not like as committing as lipstick or anything. And it's kind of subtle. Like, it's there. You see it, but it's subtle. It smells really good actually. Not gonna lie. Okay, well I know that was short and sweet, but there you have it. That is all I have for you in this bag. Let me put it all back. I really like this bag. I think it's super cute. I love black and that whole aesthetic, so I'm liking it. What was your favorite thing in that bag? I think my favorite thing is either the shampoo or the eyeliner. Honestly, I haven't tried the eyeliner yet. And that shampoo, 4 clarifying shampoo, smells really, really good. So I don't know. I mean, that's on for sure. It hasn't been that long. It's been less than 10 minutes. It doesn't smudge. That's awesome. The eyeliner I wear right now definitely smudges. So... Well, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any video suggestions or requests, be sure to leave any of that down in the comments because I would love to do the kind of stuff you want to see. And if you liked this video, found it entertaining or helpful or informative or whatever, be sure to give it a like because it really helps support my channel and shows me if you like what I'm putting out, basically. I plan on doing one more of these Ipsy bag reviews for next month, then I think I'm stopping. Just, I've had my fun with it. I might start it back again in the future, but I think I'm good for now. I don't know. But if you want me to do more, let me know. But enough babbling. Thank you again so much for watching and have a wonderful day.